Alright guys, so how it's going? FIFA Mobile Wizard here, and today we're gonna open some African tournament packs and some Team of the Year packs. But first, I'm gonna open these packs that I've been saving up. So yeah, let's start with you know what? Let's start with an inform pack. Let's go. I really want that Gabriel Jesus. He's really he worth about 50k. Okay, I guess that's not bad. It could have been worse. Come on, be something good. Oh, it's a gold. Come on. No, nothing. Come on, give me an elite. Okay. Oh, no, it's a gold, isn't it? Yes, it is. This one is an elite. I know it. Come on. And oh, no, it's a gold again. Now let's try this League Master pack. No, no, no. Come on. I'll pro pack. Give me some luck. No. Run. I guess he's not bad, but still nothing. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the African tournament packs. I can only open 5, so yeah, let's hope we get something good. Come on. Oh yes, an elite. Well, first, what a pack. Come on. Ooh, Barkley, he's actually pretty good. No way, I just got another elite. Come on. Oh no, what happened? Sorry guys. Yeah, sorry guys, but I've been knocked out by the service. But as you can see, I got Thomas from that pack. So let's continue our pack opening. Come on, I hope it's Koulibaly. He's the best elite you can get. Come on. Oh yes, another one. Okay, this is my last pack. Come on. Ooh, he's a gold, but it's okay. It's okay. No, some Team of the Year packs. Oh, silver. Come on, gold. Or elite. No, not Biane. Actually, he's pretty good. Only 2 packs left. Come on, I hope I get something good. Mario Suarez. No. Oh, Martial. No way. No way, we just got Martial. He sells for a lot. Okay, this is my final pack. No. Try last. No. No, and my last player is Azure. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.